Hello my dear learners, welcome back to online learning platform of Shri Baswa Public School. I hope you all are fine at home and doing well with your all activities. Children, I am here to start another session with a chapter, a short monsoon diary from your textbook Honeydew, chapter 8. Yes children, today we are going to start another interesting chapter, a short monsoon diary which had written by Ruskin Bond. So children, the chapter a short monsoon diary is talking about season of monsoon. Yes, it is talking about season of monsoon in specially Mussoorie Hills where the writer Ruskin Bond was living at the time of writing. Children, the introduction of the chapter is this is not a story. It is not written in a way of story. It is a diary which Ruskin Bond has written, who has habit of writing a diary every day. So that diary afterwards published in book, and the name which they gave to that book, that is the Diary of Anne Frank. From that book, the Diary of Anne Frank, here they had selected few topics and given in this chapter. So where he is talking about the complete monsoon season and the end of the winter season. Okay, so this is the basic information of the chapter. I hope you understand. Let's start the reading and explanation of the chapter. A short monsoon diary written by Ruskin Bond. Here are a few extracts from Ruskin Bond's diary, in which he portrays the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. Children, this chapter is all about talking about the Mussoorie Hills where he was living, and which he is talking about here, the joys, the happiness, the miracles of nature. So let's start with the date, June 24. The first day of monsoon mist, and it's strange how all the birds fall silent as the mist comes climbing up the hill. Perhaps that's what makes the mist so melancholy. Not only does it conceal the hills, it blankets them in silence too. Only an hour ago, the trees were ringing with bird song, and now the forest is deathly still as though it were midnight. Through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. So, children, he is talking about Mussoorie Hills where he was staying. When the monsoon season started, an hour ago before, the trees were looking very beautiful with the songs of birds. But after an hour, completely it was changed, and there was an extreme silence in Mussoorie Hills as if it is a midnight. How we will get the silence of midnight? Same silence he was getting at the daytime in the season of monsoon. And the frost, the snow, the fog was covered all over the hills of Mussoorie, and they were looking like a blanket which covered the hills of Mussoorie. And children, he describes here, he explains the level of fog by giving an example. When he was sitting that time, one of his neighbor Biju, who was calling his sister and walking on the hillside, he can hear very clearly the sound of Biju, but he cannot see him. By this sentence itself, you can understand the level of fog in the Mussoorie Hills in monsoon season. So, on June 24, some genuine early monsoon rain, warm and humid, and not the cold high altitude stuff we have been having all year. The plants seem to know it too, and the first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns as I walk up to the bank and post office. The mist affords a certain privacy. A school boy asked me to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence, and all I could say was a paradise that might have been. Children, on June 25, he is talking about here the genuine climate changes when the monsoon season arrived. Firstly, he noticed the cobra lily, which is green now in the picture, that was raising its head from the ferns, from the trees which doesn't have flowerless trees, it was raising its head. When he noticed this cobra lily, when he was going out of the house for the purpose of bank or post office. And in the first four lines, he is talking about it is genuine early monsoon rain. It is now the rain of the monsoon was started, and the stuff in the Mussoorie Hills, that was not complete warm. They were getting the mixed season or a mixed feeling of a winter, rainy and summer. And lastly, the mist, the snow, the fog was managing the certain privacy, certain kind of loneliness in all over the Mussoorie hills. Because of the fog, because of the rain, because of the snow, people were not coming outside. And one day, a schoolboy asked him, "How will you describe this valley and hill station in one sentence?" Then he said, "It looks like a paradise that might have been." Means it is not all the year it is going to be happen in Mussoorie Hills. This kind of paradise, this kind of heaven look, we will see only in the season of monsoon. So you can see here the lily of cobra lily, which raise its head on the ferns, and this is the season of monsoon in Mussoorie Hills. Children, let's see what he explained in June 27 when he was writing his diary on June 27. What kind of things he written in his diary? Let's see. The rain have hurled the arrival of some seasonal visitors, a leopard and several thousand leeches. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servants' quarter below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows, but fled at the approach of Biju's mother, who came screaming imprecation. As for the leeches, I shall soon get used to a little blood-letting every day. Other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. The females are yellow, flitting silently among the leaves like a brilliant jewels. No matter how leafy the trees, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves, although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Along come a pair of drungoos, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minivets away. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way. Now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous birds. Children, here on June 27 is talking about the arrivals of new animals. Those are leopard and leeches. Leopard and leeches, thousands of leeches. Leeches are it is an insect which suck the blood from body. So yesterday afternoon, in a sense, on 27 he is writing this diary. On 26 he heard the attacks of leopard on dog and cow. Afternoon, the leopard attacked one of the dog from near to the quarter below the school, near to the servants' quarter below the school, where leopard attacked on a dog. And at the evening, the leopard, one of the leopard again attacked on Biju, the neighbor of the Ruskin Bond, one of the cows of Biju at the evening. So that time Biju's mother came out by screaming, by shouting, by abusing the leopard. So it afraid with the loud wordings of or shoutings of mother and left or fled or ran away from that place. It did not kill the cow. And next he is talking about leeches. He said, now I am used to with the leeches, little leeches, because it was biting every day to him. And next in this last paragraph he is talking about scarlet minivets. You can see here very nice, very beautiful birds. One is in the color of red and another one is in the color of yellow. Red will be male bird, male minivet, and yellow is female minivet. They are very beautiful. They looks very beautiful. If they sit on a tree and they don't make noise, they will be so silent. Because of their bright color, they can't hide themselves and they looks as if they are dwell for the tree. And to irritate them, there is another bird arrival in the season of monsoon, that is drangos. Yes, it is in the color of black, and it is a kind of a violent bird which always chase the minivets, scarlet minivets. And lastly, he is talking about the creepy crawlies, creepers who can move on a oak tree very fastly. And also in the season of monsoon, the insects, the quantity of insects will be too much. So the birds which eats the insects, for them there will be no shortage for food in the season of monsoon. So here I complete first part explanation. I hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, you can text me. I'll try to clear your doubts. Thank you so much for watching this video, children.